kodwa ngeke ngikhohlwe bantu bami kwakukade kungu-1959 ngezi-10 zikaJanuwari kwafika indoda ezweni lakithi wesithole yabeka ithende elicishe libe ngangaleli lakho samangala sonke sitanela sathi selikisi ibuye lokishini namhlanje 1959 kwakuyindoda yakwaZulu eyayihamba kancane inde yakwaNgqolozi ihamba kancane kanti iprofeta kona ukuthi ngivela kude ngiye kudeni hlanzana kuzinikela mina ngalelo langa kwaphuma imfene ezweni lakithi wathi kumenyezela igazi likaJesu kwabe kuchitheka negazi lemfene umnikazi wemfene weza nento yakhe wayidosa wathi mfundisi nayo into engisebenza ngayo sanibona angiya nje ethendeni kwakhona indoda kwaMdobo uSomumalo kwakuthiwa uMdobo yayithina ihlabelele iorgane yayingakazi ukuthi ibikhona mntanami yayithina ihlabelele le ndoda ithi izandla uzwe ukuthi idimoni liyabaleka la endlini sasiya ungakhohlwa umkhulu wami kwakuyinyanga uJazi umkhulu wami loyo ufune uhlala ngaye uJazi umkhulu wami sanibona sasiya phela umkhulu wami wathaka lapha eMozambique ukuze ngibone ukuthi lathwala khona wahlala khona 6 months uthi wayehlele emanzini abona ngomkhulu wami ukuthi amadimoni ayakhuluma ngoba le day azofika indawo esasikuyo ngasehholomdeni esitanela bayangizwa basekhana ngisho njalo kuthiwa kusehole M3 la sasikhona indawo yayingenazo inyoka lezi nhlwathi wawungeke uyibone lapha kodwa ngalelo langa kwangena inhlwathi esibayeni ekhaya yabamba inkabi yenkomo yayithandela kodwa yangayenza lutho waphuma ugogo wathi hayi ningayenzi lutho njoba ibambele inkomo isho ukuthi uJazi uyeza namhla kufanele kuhlatshwe le nkomo nebala lathi lithambama ilanga liyoshona wabeqhamuka umkhulu wami wathi eqhamuka inyoka yayekela inkomo yaphuma yahamba kwahlatshwa le nkomo la ngabona khona ukuthi amadimoni ayakhuluma senishonephi sanibona yes badliwe wayekade ebhula ngezinyo elikhulu engangimbuza njalo elani lezinyo wathi ngilithathe emanzini ayebeka lona ekhoneni lapha bese beka igubhu la nakuzokuza umuntu ezofika la ekhaya uzwa ngale igubhu sithi athi lungisani khona besayo imithi yamkhulu wami yayikade igaywa yimi onke imithi le yayigaywa yimi neyokuhlanza ngingakuhlanzisa sithole mina
ngasindiswa khona lapha eDavidton kumvuselelo kaMfundisi uBhengu ngasindiswa khona ngamthola khona uJesu ngiwutsothinyana mina bengazelanga esonto mina benganandaba nesonto bengize esontweni ngizobheka abantazana ukuthi umuphi umabhebeza engizaphuma sasuka le Springs eKakse Springs sasuka khona siza la ngabona kugcwele athi akumantombazana ene amahle umuntu osinziwe muhle bantu benkosi uyathanda noma ukhulile noma usemncane noma uphakathi muhle wangena umpo bathi sabiza umshumayeli ke manje umfundisi uBhengu wayemude efaka isudu emnyama efaka ibhothayi emnyama waphakama hawu uyazigulela ride on Moses, ride on King Emmanuel, ride on Moses. I want to go to heaven in them. Why don't you ride on Moses, ride on King Emmanuel, ride on Moses. I want to go to heaven in the morning. I want to go to heaven and have a good rest. I want to go to heaven. Hey, why call umuntu indaba? Ithe le time aqula kamnandi. Nazo shumayela. Angithi thina sijwayele abantu abashumayela. Hlobo zami. Oy. Wavula ivesi wazikhulumela. Into yangihlaba ngalelo langa. I won't forget. Ngey 3 zaka September 1959. Yaza abantu akakhiphe ngeshipathi yakhalanga. Usulane. Yabona nomshumeli bophathe zithu. Le eyala. Kodwa le eyala. Wena uphatha wani wena? Ujuluku bemanzi bente. Sokhohliwe. Waya kolkota sokhohliwe. Uthi ke manje uthi nayishumayela nomuntu uthi Jesu wabethela nabaphanga ababili esiphambanweni. Omunye ngasokhohlo, omunye ngasokunene. Uthi Jesu wayephakathi. Uthi emkhunjini uJesu lithi iBhayibheli wayephakathi. Lithi iBhayibheli esidlweni senkosi ngesikhathi uJesu wayehleli phakathi. Noma wayehamba nabafundi bakhe wayengahambi ngaphambili, wayehamba phakathi. Wathi indawo kaJesu iphakathi. Wathi vula inhliziyo yakho ke umamkele uJesu angene phakathi. Yazi wathi uthi thatha zonke into zakho. Thatha amantombazana akho, thatha ugwayi bakho, thatha insango yakho, thatha yonke into yakho. Nabo mabhebeza thatha yonke into ufake phakathi. Uthi bese uthatha noJesu umfaka phakathi. Lalelake. Uthi bese uyavala. Angazi kuvalwana. Kodwa lalela lo mshumayeli into akutshela yona. Uthi bese uyavala. Bese uthi qhude manikiniki uJesu inkosi. Bantu benkosi. Ngenza lento ekhulunywa umshumayeli. Sengiphambili manje, sengiphambili uthi bonke abafuna uJesu bese ngapha. Sengiphambili. Uyabona bengiphuza kodwa bengesona isidakwa. No bengiphuza nje ukuthi ngihlakaniphe. Noma bekudlula intombi. Sasithi my. What did I see? A beautiful girl? May I dream or not? No, it's a chick or mommy girl. Please, baby, turn around. Let me see your face. Bantwana benkosi. Wangena uJesu kuphi? Phakathi. Ngathi sengiyavala. Enza lethu umshumayeli akutshela yona. Nathi vala. Uyazi uNkulunkulu ukuthi uvalani. Ngoba umoya ingcwele kade ekhuluma ngayo. Uthi thatha lezi zinto bese uthatha noJesu bese udidiyela ndawonye. Bese uthi qhude manikiniki uJesu inkosi. Bantu benkosi ngavela ngenza lento ayishoyo. Ngathi qhude manikiniki uJesu inkosi. Sangena isilwane sezulu. wangena icaterpillar yangena ingadlangadla. Uyabona thina zange bathi siye kutshwala, zange bathi siye kujola, siye ke basipho uJesu kuphela. Uyabona na uphethwe isisu udla amapilisi, awukhulumi nawe uthi emapilisi hey nifike nisebenze phakathi, kinya wena amapilisi lizathi lingena phakathi lizokhipha yonke ingcekeza udoti. Noma uphethwe inhloko wathi athi udokotela ginyela amapilisi waginya, wena wathatha wabophela inhloko ukuthi hayi ngiphethe inhloko, angeke akuphilise nawe wabophela inhloko wafake phakathi. Indaba ikuphi?
I was born of being
Nazalwa ngobheki.
Nicholas.
uNicholas
Bekinkosi.
Bekinkosi
Bengu
Bengu
gave birth to me.
wandizala.
I was not born of Paul.
Zange ndizalwe
My
nguPawulos.
father is not Paul.
Utata wami
Paul
ayingopawulos.
might be the father
uPawulos usenokwenzeka
to many
nguyise
people.
kubantu abaninzi,
But I was not born
kodwa zange ndizalwe
of Paul.
nguPawulos.
A man from Zululand
Umuntu osuka kwaZulu
came to the Xhosa land
weza kwizwe lakwaXhosa
and he preached the gospel of Christ,
washumayela ivangeli
which is
kaKristu
the power of God unto salvation.
engamandla kaThixo asingisele
People were
entsindisweni.
saved.
Abantu basindiswa.
Churchianity was there.
Ubucawe bukhona.
Churchianity has long been there.
Ubucawa kudala bukhona.
But this man came
Kodwa lo mfo
in the midst
weza
of churchianism.
phakathi kobucawa.
He came with one message:
Weza
the
nomyelezo
forgiveness of sins
ukukholelwa
through the
kwezono
blood of Jesus Christ.
ngegazi likaYesu
He
Kristu.
used to sing a song.
Wayeqala ukucula ingoma
says,
ethi
There is power
kukhona
in the
amandla
blood of Jesus.
egazini likaYesu.
Linamandla, igazi lemva na linamandla, linamandla, mandla, igazi lemva na lisusa zokizo, linamandla, igazi lemva na linamandla. This man was tall.
Le ndoda yayinde
stature.
ngokwesithomo.
He would sing this song
Wayehlenga uyicula le ngoma
while I was in my mother's tummy.
ngexesha ndisesizalweni sikamama wam.
Don't know the history of the church.
Awuyazi imbali
Jesus
yebandla
Christ.
likaYesu
There were
Kristu.
prophets in that time.
Kwakho
When he was
abaprofeti
singing
ngelaa
this
xesha.
song,
Ngexesha ecula le ngoma
prophets were
abaprofeti
hidden.
babefihliwe
Hantakabroya for this time.
ngenxa yeli xesha.
time.
Ngenxa yeli
We
xesha
were hidden.
sasifihliwe.
Poverty was
Intlupheko
a day-to-day thing.
yayinto yemini ngemini.
We were so poor.
Sasihlupheke
Not
ngeyona
even the poor
ndlela.
people.
Kangoba
calling us
namahlwempu
poor.
ayesibiza ukuba
As a result, our
sihluphekile.
province,
Kangangokuba
when the
iphondo
time of
lethu
provinces came,
ngexesha kwakufika
our
ixesha
province was
lamaphondo
called
iphondo lethu
the poorest
labizwa
of the
kuba
poor.
lelona
Because God
lihluphekileyo
knew
ngoba
that I was born to
ndazalwa
lift this province up.
ukuphakamisa liphondo
I was born.
ndazalwa
Hey, I was born to erase,
ndazalela
Poverty.
ucima
to do
intlupheko
away.
ukuba
with
sihlukane
poverty.
nentlupheko.
Linamandla, ikahenza. Linamandla, linamandla, ikahenza. Nalesusa
He has got the power to
This man
remove.
understood
Wayeqonda
the
lo
message
mfo
of John.
umyalezo
That
kaYohane
Here
othi
comes the lamb.
nansi
That
isivana
which is about to be crucified.
le
That which
izawubethelela
is about to bleed.
le
Here
izakopha
comes
nansi
That which is
isiza
about to be wounded.
le izawuba
Here
nemanxeba nansi
To take
isiza
away
ukuzothabatha
this man from
isuse
Zululand.
lo mfusuka
Nicholas
kwaZulu
Beki Nkosibhengu.
uNicholas Bheki Nkosibhengu
Sang a song.
wacula igoma
This
ethi
blood
eligazi
taketh away.
lithabatha lisuse
I wonder if the people
aziba
of the Cape
azibabantu beKapa
understood him.
bamqonda
He wanted
na
us to look at one day
wayefuna sijonge kumkhomazelo
our
omnye
eyes
sithathe
away from
ethu
sin.
siwasuse
Never to be
esonweni
sin-conscious
singaze
anymore,
sihlale sicinga
but to be
ngesono
Christ-conscious,
kodwa sihlale
to be
sicinga
blood-conscious.
sihlala sicinga ngegazi
To be blood conscious.
sihlala sicinga
But
ngegazi
Christianity
ukuba ubucawa
missed the mark and it
baphosana
made people
benza
to be
abantu
sin-conscious.
ukuba bahlale becinga
There were
ngesono
dawns,
kwakukho
many
ungayenzile
dawns
ungayenzi
in
le abaninzi
Christianity.
kumabandla
Many dawns.
ungayenzi le
People were
abaninzi
confused.
abantu
Everything
babhideka
they touch.
yonke into
One would come and say,
abayichukumisayo
don't.
azomnye
And
athi
they touch
ungayenzi
another
le
thing, don't.
bachukumisele
They
kuthiwa
touch
ungayenzi
this,
le
don't.
bachukumisele
And they
kuthiwa
ended
ungayenzi
up
le baphela
Locked in dawns.
betixelwe kungayenzi le
This man would say,
lo mfo waye athi
back to God.
buyelani
In the way
kuThixo
of the Bible.
ngendlela
Back to
yeBhayibhile
God.
buyelani
In the way of
kuThixo
the Bible.
ngendlela
He was
yeBhayibhile
not fought by
wayenganiwanga
men in the streets,
ngabantu
but he was
abasezitratweni
fought
kodwa
by men who
waliwa
were in churches.
ngabantu
Churchianity
abasemabandleni
fought this man.
ubucawa bamlwa
left
lo
and
mntu
right.
ngasekhohlo
But he stood the
nangesenene
test of
kodwa
time
wama kuvavanyo lexesha
until
wade
we came.
sade seza
Until
sade
we came.
seza
And here we are.
futhi silapha
My father,
utata wam
Nicholas Bekungesbengu,
uNicholas
was
Nkosibhengu
saying,
wayesithi
come back
buyelani
to God
kuThixo
by the way of the Bible.
ngendlela
And I say
yeBhayibhile
unto you,
futhi mna ndithi
Uye
kuni
kuyahlala.
you can abide in
Uye
him
kuyahlala.
you can abide in him.
Nibuyile ngoku.
You are back now.
Nibuyile.
You are back
Kodwa
now.
hlalani kuThixo.
But now
Ngendlela
abide in
yeBhayibhile.
God in the Bible way.
Ngendlela.
Through the Bible
Wathi
way.
buyani.
He said, come here.
Ndafika mna nisathe qonqosholo.
While you are still amazed,
Ndizothi hlalani.
I am here to say abide.
Hlalani.
Abide.
The rest in God.
Kukhona ukuphumla kuThixo.
Oh, I'm bringing rest unto you.
Ndizisa ukuphumla kuni.
People of the Cape,
Bantu beKapa.
you were the first to know
Nani ngabokuqala
that
ukwazi
through the blood,
ukuba ngegazi
sins
izono
taken away.
ziyasuswa.
And now,
Futhi ke ngoku
you are the first to know
ningabokuqala
that
ukwazi
in Him
ukuba apha
we
kuye
live.
siyaphila.
There is life.
Kukho ubomi uKristu